Hey, fool! What the?
So guys, after a couple of weeks of the display not working, the radio itself went totally dead. I knew it wasn't the fuses because the CD was working. I could hear it operating when I tried to eject. So it's time to take the faceplate off and have a look at the internal connections and see what's going on. My other video will show you how to remove the radio. The only specialist tool you'll need to remove the faceplate is a Torx T8-bit. So slide the radio out, disconnect the antenna and the power connections and turn it around so you can get to the back. Here you will see the 4 screws and the little spreader pieces that are used to retain the plate. All you need to do is use the T8-bit, remove those and carefully retain them. This is what they look like close up. Gently lower the faceplate and you'll see the central electrical connection, which is the one that's suspect. The flexible plastic ribbon cable is retained by a hard plastic wedge. It is a retained item, so just gently lever it up one side and then the other. It will be retained in its housing, however you should be able to gently remove the plastic ribbon cable at this point. Once the ribbons cable's out, turn it over, just check the gold connections, make sure they're clean. If needs be, you can use a pencil eraser or something similar to just gently clean those up. Once you're happy, you can gently push it back into its housing and force the plastic pressure wedge back into position to hold the whole thing together. Now it's time to try powering up again. And in my case, that's all that was needed. Once the power was restored, the display was fully functioning and I had full control and audio again. Sometimes that's all that's needed, just to clean up the electrical connections. Of course it could equally have been the power block at the back, so it's always worth just removing and then refitting just to clean up those little electrical contacts. Okay, that's all there is to it. Just a simple reassembly job now as you reverse procedure, put the radio back in its place, and good luck, enjoy.